Hello, hello, how are you? I hope you are well. This is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm going to show you something that I picked up. And it's going to be a project for Tina's Tuesday. Yeah, this wasn't supposed to be use it or lose it, and okay. What? Okay, how do I order this? Okay, I was trying to use stuff that I had around in my craft room on Tina's Tuesdays and not buy something. But I did have some of the stuff. Okay? I had these little tools for doing the mandala. Except I didn't know how to do it. Okay? So I went to go, I like watching videos to learn how to do it. And I also like to get books. So I went on Amazon to find a book about doing mandalas with the tools. Well, they had a kit, they had a book, and then they had this kit that came with a book for the same price. So I bought the kit. So I'm going to show you that. But the other day I picked these up at Hobby Lobby. They were $4.49, but then when I got up to the counter, they were on sale from this brand. So I paid, I don't remember, I think I paid 25% off that. I'm not positive. So I grabbed that too. But here's the kit I bought. And the girls want to do this. Riley and Allie. So, but in the kit you get, don't ask me what you need sponge for because I really haven't looked at this. Get the sponge. You got some pretty gems. You got these tools, like this one is identical, pretty much in there, a green. And you got some paint brushes. You got these funky tools. Now I got, see, I only had 3 of them, and there's 4 in this one. So that's kind of cool. So I gained an extra one like that. And then here are these, and there's 1, 2, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in there, I think. I haven't opened them yet. There's some clear tubes in there. I can't. Okay. So got them, and I had tiny ones, clear ones, but only had 3 like that size. That came with this one. And then these. And I had these right here. I just didn't know what they were for. They must have been in a D-stash. So I got, that was in the kit. Got an easel. I want to get more of these. This is just to practice on. So I'm going to be cutting out some circles this weekend with just paper. Or like maybe the folders, you know, the business folders. Because the reason I want to say that, and I'll show you in a second. I also got a paint tray. I got an eraser and a white pencil. It's because they give you a thing to practice, to learn how to do it. And another bunch of stencils. I don't remember all the stencils, but there's a good amount of stencils. But here is the instructions to explain it. So I'm going to go be doing this on Tuesday. We're all going to learn together. And a bag. I paid $15 for this. So I can't wait to try this on Tuesday. I'm itching to do it right now, but I decided I'm going to save it for Tuesdays. So here's the dotting chart. So you have 0.3, 0.25, 0.2, 0.15, 0.15, 3M, 4M, 5M, 6M, 8M, 10M, 12M, 15M. Cool. So I'm going to watch through with another chart here. The circles. So And the book I was buying, the only or I looked at, and I may still pick it up, I'm not sure. It was instructions to learn how to do it, and also had some designs in it that you could copy and put. But the thing is I wanted the more tools. Because I didn't have the bigger ones of these. And the only reason I picked, when I was at Hobby Lobby on my side of town, they didn't have these. Well, me and Diamond went to the east side the other day, and they actually had them. So, I grabbed them anyways. So, look forward to Tuesday. We're going to learn how to mandala art. I believe that's what they call it. Yep, mandala art. We're going to learn that together. You can watch me learn mistakes and see how well I get. So, my goal is to make some more circles until I get some rocks. Because the thing is, what I want to do this summer is I found 3 bags of quick cement. Basically, it's called quick cement. You add the water, you stir it up. It doesn't dry fast, Scott says, but it's quick because I don't know. But I will be taking pie tins, the smaller pie, not the deep dish pie tins, the ones that are only like this big. Spraying Pam in them, mixing up cement and pouring cement in there. Getting it nice and smooth on top. I may add some like gems in them. You could do that too. You also can take, I saw a cute thing where you can buy plastic. Like, I'll use this. This lady bought this little plastic gate at the Dollar Tree, and she cut off the butterfly. She sprayed it. She stuck it in the cement. And then when the cement cured, you could pull that out, and she had a butterfly in the cement. It was pretty cool. But that's not what I really want to do. I want to be able to do designs on them like this with this stuff and paint and have garden stones, step stones, or just even decorate, not even step on them, just to go around with spot in my yard. And the girls, when they heard me talk about that to Papa, their Papa, my husband, they're like, Nana, we want to do that. Okay. So picking up these extra little things is a plus for me because it's something I can do with my granddaughters. I can set up my craft table outside. Yeah, I have a craft table outside. I'm trying to figure out how to run a camera, a webcam. And I kind of came up with a solution. So, you may see me this summer outside, set up on my laptop, run an extension cord, and Scott says I can do that, and set up my webcam on the other side of my little craft table the same way I have it set up here on my table. So when you see me outside, you may be outside with me doing these projects this summer. So that'd be fun, wouldn't it be? Yep, because I'm like, I wish I could go live outside. That'd be awesome. And I got Wi-Fi. I mean, matter of fact, Scott and I, Xavier and Chantel, were having problems with our Wi-Fi. Both of us. So Xavier called me, Mom, are you having a problem with your Wi-Fi? I'm like, yeah, you too? So we both ended up calling Spectrum out. We both have the same internet. They had to change me and, well, yeah, I think it was me and Scott's they changed. They had to do something because me and Xavier's Wi-Fi were fighting each other because that's how our backyards. So they were fighting each other, so then they wouldn't recognize my Wi-Fi out in my yard or Xavier's Wi-Fi out in his because our name, for one, we have the same last name. I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but they changed some code. Code is somehow where now each others aren't canceling each other out. Basically, is what they were doing. Yeah, I'd step foot outside. I'd be like, "What the hell?" So I started talking to Xavier, and then he realized what was happening to him too. Plus, he set up his Wi-Fi on my tablet one day when I was over there taking wallpaper down. And it was trying to always connect to Xavier's Wi-Fi when I was home. Yeah, so I learned how I can go in and shut his down. But yeah, it was funny. So now we have no problem. I can go all through my whole yard and still be on my Wi-Fi. And he has no problem anymore either. But it was weird. But as I was saying, this summer, I can't wait to do it. Because I got an extra arm that holds a webcam. And I already got a extra webcam. So I will be going live outside when I get this done. I may show you the stages of the pie tins. And after, who's going to watch me stir up cement? But you'll see me take them out of probably the cement little circle things and then try to do the mandala outside. You never know. So thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. I will see you Tuesday as we start this adventure. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.